Welcome to your yoga practice. So today's practice is specifically for those days when you are very tired and you're going to get through your day with a little bit of coffee. Totally understand, no judgment. And you want to do a little something that gets your body going too. Now, the key to this kind of practice is to start low on the floor and slowly build. So your body, it almost gets snuck up on, right? Like your body is like ready for it as you build, and we're going to build you into a little bit of energy. So if you're ready, I'll meet you in the yoga. So for today's practice, I definitely recommend putting a stimulating essential oil into the blend. I will link below to some of my very favorites. I'm telling you, it can make a huge difference, and you need to be stacking the deck in your favor on a day like today. Am I right? So we're going to begin lying down. Again, we're going to start close to the floor because that's all our body can think about initially, right? And you're just going to hug the knees in and just let your body relax here. Begin to connect to your breath and just let yourself soften. And then bringing your knees together, taking your arms out to the side. We're going to take our knees side to side to the hand. Warming up our core a little bit here. You can just keep your eyes closed, keep breathing. And then back to the center. Roll over, all the way over onto all fours. We're going to move into an extended child. So you're pressing the palms, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, send your hips up, forehead down. Breathe into your belly, keep pressing through the palms. And then come on up. Step your right foot up between your hands. Release the hips forward, lift up through the front of the body. Lift your back knee up. Keep the hips nice and low. Really gentle here. Breathe. Drop your back knee, step your front foot back into your extended child. Nice long stretch. Come on up, step your left foot up between your hands. Release the hips forward, lift up, and breathe. Lift your back knee up. Stay nice and low to the ground. Extend through the knee. We're going to step the front foot back, and you can go back into extended child's or take it into downward facing dog if you want. Makes it a little bit more active. If you're in down dog, bend your knees, reach up and out through the sit bones as you take your chest toward your knees. Breathe. And then you can pedal out the legs. Extending them when you feel ready. You can always keep a bend in your knees if you need to. You can always drop your knees and go to an extended child's if you need to. All right, gaze up. Step your right foot up between your hands. Keep your knee up this time. Beautiful. Sweep the arms forward and up and overhead. Sink down low. Back leg is really strong. Set the back foot down and move into warrior two, opening the arms. Breathe. Coming back into your lunge, both hands come down to the floor. Take your back foot up for Uttanasana, forward fold. Bend the knees as necessary to reach the full floor. Let your head go. Scoop up. Bring your arms out to the side, up and overhead. Lift your heart arc up. And then bend the knees and move into Utkatasana, chair pose. Feel your glutes engage. And then fold forward, back into your Uttanasana, and step your right foot back for your lunge. Keep the knee up. And you're going to release the hips down. Back leg is nice and straight. Press through your front foot. Bring your arms up and overhead. Back leg is super strong. Set the back foot down for warrior two, opening the arms out. Breathe. And coming back down through your lunge, step your back foot up and unfold into Tadasana. Come all the way up, arms come overhead, lift your heart, arc up. Bring your palms together down the front of your body. All right, move to the front of your mat. Bring your palms in front of your heart and take a moment to feel your body. Notice if you feel a little bit more awake, ready for your day. And I want you to set your intention. I want you to find one thing you really want to do today that's going to move your life forward, your goal, your job, whatever it is that you are working on in your life. What is one thing you can do today? All right, thanks for joining me. Enjoy your day. See you in the next video.